Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 22nd. This is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So otherwise, the Kiwi dollar, I still think has likely ended a pullback, which means that I do not think that it's going to take out these lows right here. But if it does decide to take out those lows, I'll be more than happy to start looking for shorts. But until then, I'm definitely still looking for longs. Looking at this pattern, I think we have impulsive up breaker structure, and then I think this is going to be ABC. And then I think it's going to continue the uptrend from there and end up going up and taking out all these highs. So I think there's a good chance we're in a wave C right now on this sort of time frames. So going down to like the 1 hour, I think there's a good chance this is an A and this is a B. If that's true, then it's potentially just going to keep on going down, take out this low for wave C, and then continue the uptrend. But there's also a chance that it's just going to keep on trending up and it will not take out this low, which is why I got my fibs on there. Because if this turns out to be like an expanding ABC right here, which based on the dollar index, it definitely could be, then it would likely just go down to the 61 or the 78% and then turn back up from there. So either way, I'm definitely waiting for long opportunities. The only thing that's going to turn me back into a seller is seeing it take out the low of wave C. Otherwise, I'm either waiting for a nice Fibonacci bounce to go long, or I'm waiting for it to go down and take out all these lows, and then make a break to the upside to go long. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.